Welcome to this creative punch needle embroidery tutorial. Today, we're making a beautiful and unique rug for a jug using net fabric and colorful yarn. If you love DIY home decor and embroidery, this is the perfect project for you. Let's begin by gathering our materials. For this project, I used net fabric as the base, a punch needle tool, a variety of colorful yarns, an embroidery hoop to keep the fabric stretched, and a pair of scissors. The net fabric is a great choice because it allows the yarn to pass through easily while creating a nice texture. Now, let's move on to the design process. First, I secured the net fabric tightly in the embroidery hoop. This step is crucial because it keeps the fabric firm, making it easier to punch the yarn through. Next, I plan my design using different colors of yarn. You can go for abstract patterns, floral designs, or any shape that fits your aesthetic. Once the design was set, I started punch needling. If you're new to this technique, here's a quick tip. Hold the punch needle at a slight angle and make sure to keep the loops consistent in height. Since we're working with net fabric, it's important to punch gently so the yarn stays in place without pulling out. I used multiple colors of yarn to create a vibrant and textured effect, layering different shades to add depth. As I continued, I made sure to switch yarn colors carefully, blending them smoothly for a beautiful gradient effect. One of the best parts of using net fabric is how lightweight and flexible it is, making the stitching process easier. I also made sure to press the yarn down lightly after each section to keep everything secure. Once the punch needling was complete, I carefully flipped the fabric over and secured the back with a light adhesive or fabric glue to ensure the yarn stays in place. Then, I trimmed the excess fabric and gave the rug a neat finish. Now, my colorful punch needle rug is ready to be placed under a jug. This simple yet eye-catching project adds a cozy, handmade touch to any space. I hope you enjoyed this step-by-step audio guide. If you try this project, let me know how it turns out. Don't forget to follow for more creative embroidery ideas. Happy crafting!